There has never been a better time to start reselling sneakers. It makes for a great side hustle and even a side business that is fun to get into. Lawyers and investors even resell sneakers to make money these days because that's how profitable it can be. The right pair of shoes can bring you good money. You can definitely start reselling sneakers in 2022. It's a great side hustle that can be scaled to make thousands of dollars every month just by buying limited sneakers and selling them. This is why sneaker reselling is a good side gig. The market is more competitive than ever before, but there is still money to be made. Don't worry. If you want to start out sneaker reselling, you have the best opportunities with our Cook Group. Our website monitors automatically calculate the profit of thousands of sneakers every single day and will post a message in our Cook Group once they find a profitable sneaker. They will save you a lot of time doing the research yourself. We have created an algorithm that shows exactly how much expected profit each pair of sneakers will make you and how many times per month it will sell. This minimizes the risk of losing your money by investing in the wrong pair of sneakers. Click the link in the video description to learn more about how you can increase your profits as a brick flipper. Best ways to start reselling sneakers. The best way to start reselling shoes in 2022 is by doing quick flips. You want to quickly resell sneakers and make a profit over and over again. Eventually, you'll be able to better tell which sneakers are going to be a quick flip and which will be a long-term hold. But if you're just getting started, quick flips are the way to go. Fast and easy money. How to start reselling shoes in 2022. If you want to start reselling sneakers in 2022, you'll have to focus on building your capital. It's how much money you have in your business that can be used to purchase more sneakers. The more capital you have, the more inventory you can sell. You can do this in several ways, but the best way is to do it by doing quick flips like we just went over. Once you start to build your capital up and your business grows, you'll realize you can afford more sneakers to resell. Instead of buying one pair, you can buy and resell two. That will quickly double from 2 to 4 and will continue while your profit also multiplies. One method you can try is holding Yeezys until prices go up. But before you buy a shoe to resell, you need to make sure it'll actually have value on the secondary market. Most shoes would actually fetch less than retail at resale, but a select few will get you double or triple your investment. So what determines the resale price of a shoe? 2 factors, hype and rarity. Note that a shoe must possess both of these qualities to be worth investing in. One isn't enough. If a shoe is hype but not rare, anyone can get their hands on a pair for retail and you won't make any money. If a shoe is rare but not hype, nobody can get their hands on a pair, but nobody cares, and you won't make any money. Reselling limited edition sneakers is a booming business. It is a business you can start and run from home. You'll need to know about limited releases, and that's when the big sneaker companies only release a select number of their newest, most hyped sneakers. Think the Nike Jordan collabs or the new Adidas Yeezys. To build your brand as a sneaker reseller, you must have a sound knowledge of sneaker reselling. It is essential to know the kind of shoes to buy and resell. Like every day, a new shoe model is emerging in the market. Also, you must know which old classic models are holding importance in the market. After all, sometimes older models help you get a high profit. When you conduct extensive research, it helps you identify opportunities, make the right choices, and ultimately avoid flops. Also, you better get to know how to make a lucrative deal. Which sneakers are profitable in 2022? Nike Dunks, Air Jordan 1s, Air Jordan 4s, Air Jordan 11s, and Adidas Yeezys are the most profitable in 2022. Obviously, the model of those sneakers will determine how profitable each one is. For example, some Nike Dunk lows are worth more than Nike Dunk highs. The same goes for Jordan 1 highs, lows, and mids. There are several different kinds of Adidas Yeezys on the market, but only some are popular. Yeezy's 350 V2s remain popular over the years, while Yeezy QNTM sneakers typically brick on StockX and other platforms. Also, it's important to remember you must resell sneakers on the best sites and apps to make the most money. Once you have got the sneaker, you have plenty of platforms that allow you to sell sneakers. You can create your seller account on different platforms. Thus, you will get profit from selling across every single platform. Juiced, StockX, Fight Club, eBay, Goat, Facebook, and Instagram groups are some of the popular platforms that you may consider to sell sneakers. After that, you will need to set the right price. For beginners, it can be a little tricky to set the right price for the sneakers. However, you can easily overcome this issue with proper guidance. Another great method to get started is the used shoe method. Do you have any old sneakers lying around? Sell them. They are more valuable than you think. Even if it's just 1 or 2 pairs, they could make for a great startup fund. If you don't have any used shoes lying around, then check your local Goodwill. You can find profitable used shoes just by thrifting them at thrift stores. You have to have the right mindset to start reselling sneakers in 2022. Not every shoe you buy will sell for double its value. Learning sneakers that will go up in value is crucial information for every reseller. Certain sneaker brands are more profitable than others. If you still have any questions, BrickRadar members know the answer to that question. Members know exactly which pairs to go after and buy in bulk to flip for a profit. They also know the best retailers to buy sneakers from, the best platforms to sell sneakers on, and exactly how much risk they are acquiring by buying into different sneakers. You'll receive all of this information and more by being part of BrickRadar. It's the ultimate reselling community. Click the link in the video description to learn more about BrickRadar. With BrickRadar, you can actually start making money today if you're looking for a great tool that's going to help you in your journey on reselling shoes, or if you're just looking for the tools to help you get started in the reselling game. Honestly, you've come to the right place, so hopefully this is everything you needed to hear to get started with your sneaker reselling career. Go ahead and sign up today to start making profits.